Check out this Roadster here at Unique Specialty and Classics. One word for this car, stunning. It is absolutely beautiful in person. It is simple, clean, it does the job. It is built right. Wow. Underneath the hood of this 1932 Ford Roadster is a 383 stroker with 500 horsepower. You better be paying attention when you hit the gas on this one. It is titled as a 1932 Ford Roadster, by the way. It's a Westcott glass body. Take a look at the bright work on the suspension up front. You can see disc brakes, and those are power disc brakes up front. Paint is put on absolutely beautiful. The red interior, gorgeous. Engine bay, again, clean, simple, and to the point. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior. Check out the cargo area in the back, the engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding an American Racing. Polished torque thrust style wheels, Hoosier radials. Check out the reflection in that paint. Mirror-like finish on it. The baffles for those cutouts will go along with the car. I'm going to show you that in a second. First of all, take a look at this interior. Perfection. Beautiful color combination. How fun would this be for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, parades? This one will take home some trophies. There is no doubt about that. All right, here's what's going to go along with it. There's a prop rod for the trunk. Nice, lightweight, beautiful, polished car cover. There's an extra motor mount. The Schaefer's oil, Wix filter, there's those baffles, octane booster, plug wire insulators. That will go along with the car. I'll put it back in the trunk. Again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Speaking of oil changes, it was recently done. It's got about 500 to 600 miles on the motor itself. I think there's about 8,500 roughly since the car was built. We'll look at the odometer when we check out the interior fired up, let you hear it run. It was actually built in 2005. You'd never guess it. It looked like it was built yesterday. Very, very nice shape. Does run on premium with that octane booster, by the way. QA1 rear coilovers, 4-link rear, 4-link drop front, Vega steering box up front. Does have a 9-inch Ford rear end, posi with 411 gears, TCI torque converter. Some tidbits about the build on this one. It's get in it, turn the key, go have some fun. And you can see the paint finish. Driver's side also beautiful. Look at the stance or rake of that car. All right, now you got to hear this thing run. It absolutely sounds great. Tilt column. And again, just interior, simple, to the point, nice and clean, nice and tidy. The release for the trunk is right in front of the seat. And before I fire it up here, you can pivot this hood. And you'll see it in the still pictures. I pivot it from both sides. So you can pull a release, which is right here, and that will release this side. So then it would pivot on the passenger side. You can do the same thing, vice versa. And you'll see that in the still pictures. Once I fire it up here, we will do that, and I'll show you how it looks in the video here too. Stick around to the very end. Jason, it's a lucky day for him. He gets to take this thing for a drive. There's your Dolphin gauges. Yeah, 8507 on the odometer. Little cold-blooded, that 383. We're going to warm it up here just a little bit. It'll idle better. can see the tach is working, fuel gauge, voltmeter. Temp gauge will start to come up a little bit here. Oil pressure. Turn signal indicators. Gotta have cup holders. Throttle response is incredible. I'm going to pause this real quick. We'll get that hood propped up on one side. I want to show you how it works. There you get an idea how it looks. And you can do that from either side or take the hood all the way off if you wanted. See aluminum heads, that brawler, floor barrel Holly. And again, titled as a 1932 Ford Roadster, Westcott body, beautifully built. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1932 Ford Street Rod that is just beautiful. Amazing performance and appearance from this car. This is an automatic right down between the bucket seats, so it's easy to drive. Sounds amazing. Hopefully you can hear me over the wind noise because there's no top. It is the open top experience in a Roadster by definition. Now the oil pressure is up at 80. The water temperature is just coming to 100. You may be able to see those gauges. Our speedometer is showing almost 60 miles an hour. Tachometer 2100. The fuel gauge reads 3/4 of a tank and the volts are charging at 14, which is good. Both turn signals work in this car. Beautiful steering wheel with finger grooves on the back. Chrome accents matching the black and the red, as well as the engine. The great open wheel look. It is iconic to say the least. Super easy to drive. Comfortable bucket seats in red leather. At least it appears to me to be leather. Brakes nice and smooth, as is everything else. Smooth throttle. Smooth idle, yet it thumps very nicely. Waiting for a whole bunch of traffic right now. As soon as this Mustang goes by, let's go. I'll give you one last throttle up here after the corner. Corner's excellent, doesn't lean at all. It's so light. This power, however much it is, feels like more than it is. Very fun to drive. 32 Ford Roadster. Find the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.